no? Una po, yung recent na executive order na ginawa ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos, ito yung EO 111,
Yes.
naming no, yung 131 features sa Kalayaan Island Group. Of course, yung China ay go-oppose dito sa ginawain na ito. And then this time around, itong pinag-uusapan natin na Chinese vessel na hindi natin alam kung ano yung mga capability or research capability na ginagawa nila. In light of this, na kumbaga parang meron tayong usapin din na may possibility of joint oil exploration with China. So, paano natin malaman, 'di ba, yung kumbaga, ano ba yung what position do we have right now with all of these things are happening all at the same time?
Well, yeah, that's a very difficult question naman. No? Pero I think it's very clear naman that despite parang opening the possibility of discussion of joint development, hindi pa rin nagbabago yung position ng Philippines on the ground especially. No? And the issuance of the EO is also indication na hindi pa naman ganun ka-radical yung change. No? So for me, itong discussion on joint development, parang ano lang yan, parang exploratory lang yan, parang pakiramdaman ba? Kung may possibility ba na magkaroon ng usapan. Because if you'll notice as well, yung the announcements after the reported meeting, bali wala namang napag-usapan, wala namang napagkasaduan. So that's why I think it's really more probing the other side whether there will be any possibility of actually moving forward on those discussions.
And I think on the table also, the question on the table should also be asked na dapat ba na explore natin yung idea na yun?
Yeah. Well, yun nga, mukhang nagbigay ng signal nga na, sige, let's see. No? And I would attribute that more to the fact na we're now in a crisis situation. And in a crisis situation, you really need to open and investigate all possible options, even the ones that before may not have been so palatable.